Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.5. Question number 3. We have 4 subdivisions. In first subdivision, there is a change, small change. Instead of 3a squared, please change it to 2a squared. Can do one by one. Now, subdivision number 1. This is a question. Write the first expression as it is, then change division into multiplication. Whenever you are given division, change it to multiplication. After that, you have to write the reciprocal of this expression, that is minus 5a squared minus 35a minus 15, so divided by a squared plus 6a plus 5. So once again, write this expression as it is, change division into multiplication, then you have to write the reciprocal of this expression. Okay, you know the reciprocal, numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. Then we can factorize one by one. First, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, product is 6, sum 5, the coefficient of a is 5. The two numbers are 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 5, 3 2s are 6. Then consider the coefficient of a square. What is the coefficient of a square? 2. Write 2 in numerator. Then into variable we have a. So into a into a. 2a. Here you can divide by 2 table. One time. So 2 into a, 2a plus 3 into 1 into a plus 1. Now 2 6 are 12. Next one 12 and coefficient of a is 7. Product 12 sum 7. The two numbers are 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 7. 4 3s are 12. The coefficient of a square here 2. Write 2 in numerator. Once again the variable a. Divide by 2 table one time, 2 times. 1 into a plus 2. 2 into a, 2a plus 3. So a plus 2 into 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 get cancelled, into, before factorizing we can take minus 5 as common, correct? If you take minus 5 as common, here you have to write a squared plus 7a plus 10. Minus 5 into a squared minus 5a squared, minus 5 into 7a, that is minus 35a, minus 5 into 10, that is equal to minus 50. Write this expression and the next step we can factorize. Okay, equals minus 5 into a plus 1 is minus 5 into a plus 1 into, we have to factorize this. Coefficient of a squared equals 1 here, 1 into 10 10. Then coefficient of a equals 7. Product 10 sum 7. The two numbers are 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 7, 5 2s are 10. The coefficient of a squared here 1. So write 1 in numerator. Once again into a plus 5, a plus 2. A plus 5 into a plus 2. Write the whole divided by a plus 2 here. This one has to be factorized. 1 into 5, that is equal to 5. And coefficient of a, that is equal to 6. Product 5 sum 6. The two numbers are 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 6, 5 1s are 5. Once again the coefficient of a square equals 1. Here 1, write 1 in numerator, into a 1 into a plus 5, 1 into a plus 1, a plus 5 into a plus 1. So a plus 1 get cancelled, a plus 5 get cancelled, even a plus 2 get cancelled. So which one is left out? Minus 5. Subdivision number 1 over. Now subdivision number 2. Here is the question. Once again you are given division. Write the first expression as it is, change division into multiplication, then you have to write the reciprocal. So b squared minus 5b minus 14 in numerator and b squared minus 49 in denominator. We have to factorize one by one. Okay, 1 into minus 28 is minus 28, and coefficient of b, that is equal to 3. The two numbers are 7 and minus 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 into minus 4 equals minus 28. Here the coefficient of b squared equals 1. What is the variable here? B. So 1 into b. Here also 1 into b. So 1 into b, b plus 7. 1 into b, b minus 4. B plus 7 into b minus 4 divided by 1 into 4, 4, and the coefficient of b is 4. Product 4, sum also 4. The two numbers are 2 and 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. The coefficient of b squared equals 1. Write 1. 1 variable we have b. So 1 into b, b plus 2. 1 into b, b plus 2. b plus 2 into b plus 2 into. It has to be factorized. 1 into minus 14 is minus 14. And the coefficient of b, that is equal to minus 5. The two numbers are minus 7 and 2. Correct? Minus 7 plus 2, that is equal to minus 5. Minus 7 into 2, that is equal to minus 14. Now write the coefficient of b squared. Here 1 variable b, 1 into b. So 1 into b, b minus 7. 1 into b, b plus 2. b minus 7 into b plus 2. This one you can write b squared minus 7 squared. 49 can be written as 7 squared. The next step, write b plus 7 into b minus 4 divided by, you can cancel 1 b plus 2. So b plus 2, one more b plus 2. Here b minus 7. This is of the form a squared minus b squared. We know that a squared minus b squared identity is a plus b into a minus b. So b squared minus 7 squared, you can write b plus 7 into b minus 7 according to this identity. Okay, now these two get cancelled. Because of product, you can cancel b plus 7 also after cancelling. So b minus 4 in numerator and b plus 2 is in denominator. Subdivision number 2 is over. Now subdivision number 3. Very simple problem. Write x plus 2 divided by 4y as it is. Change division into multiplication. Then you have to write the reciprocal. 12y square in numerator and denominator x squared minus x minus 6. So what symbol you have? Product. So you can cancel 4 and 12 by 4 table. How many times? 3 times. 1y get cancelled. So 1y will be in the numerator. Then we have 3, we have y and x plus 2. You can write 3y into x plus 2 divided by. So here everything is cancelled. We have x squared minus x minus 6. We have to factorize. We can factorize. So the coefficient of x squared equals 1. 1 into minus 6 equals minus 6. Coefficient of x equals minus 1. Right? Minus 1. Product minus 6, sum minus 1. The two numbers are minus 3 and 2. We can verify. Minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to minus 1. If we add the two numbers, minus 1. If you multiply the two numbers, minus into plus, that is equal to minus. 3 2s are 6. Now, what is the coefficient of x squared? 1. Write 1 in numerator. Into, we have the variable x. So, into x, into x. 1 into x, x minus 3. Another factor, 1 into x, x plus 2. So x plus 2 get cancelled. We'll be getting 3y divided by x minus 3. That is the answer. Now last subdivision number 4. Write the first expression as it is. Before that you can take 2 as common, because 12, 22 and 8, all the 3 numbers in 2 table. Take 2 as common. 2 into 60 squared. 2 into 60 squared is 12t squared. 2 into minus 11t is minus 22t. 2 into 4 is 8. Divided by 3t as it is. Then whenever you are given division, you have to change into multiplication. Then the 2t square plus 4t comes to the numerator. 2t squared plus 4t divided by, this one comes to the denominator, 3t squared plus 2t minus 8. So reciprocal. Okay. Now we have to simplify. 2 into, we have to factorize. 6 into 4, 6 into 4, that is equal to 24. Coefficient of t, that is equal to minus 11. Product 24 sum minus 11, the two numbers are 8 and 3. For getting minus 11, you have to introduce minus for both the numbers. Minus 8 minus 3, that is equal to minus 11. Minus into minus plus, 8 3s are 24. What is the coefficient of t squared? 6. Write 6 in the numerator. Variable we have t into t. Divide by 3 table. 1 time, 2 times. Here you can divide by 2 table only. 3 times and 4 times. 3 into t, 3t minus 4. 2 into t, 2t minus 1. Into. Here 2 and 4 we can take 2 as common, t square and t as common. After taking 2t as common, you will be writing t plus 2. You can verify 2t into t, that is equal to 2t square. 2t into 2, that is equal to 4t. Divided by, here we can factorize. 3 into minus 8. 3 into minus 8 equals minus 24, and here coefficient of t is 2. Product minus 24 sum 2, the two numbers are 6 and minus 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2, plus into minus minus, 6 4s are 24. Here the coefficient of t square, that is equal to 3, write 3 into t is a variable, 3 into t. Can divide by 3 table 1 time, 2 times. This one cannot be simplified. So 1 into t, t plus 2. T plus 2 in numerator, sorry, first factor. Second factor is 3t minus 4. 3t minus 4. T plus 2 get cancelled. 3t minus 4, 3t minus 4 get cancelled. T get cancelled, that is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Then we have 2t minus 1, 4 into 2t minus 1 divided by cancelled, 3 only left out in the denominator. That is the answer. Fourth subdivision is also over. I will be teaching the next problem, that is problem number 4, in the next video. Thank you, children.